sometimes in our history, there's a reset button that we press.
And the question is it time to press the reset button for Jamaica's politicians? In this video, we're looking at the oldest members of Jamaica's parliament in 2024. Desmond Mackenzie, the everlasting voice of the Jamaica Labour Party Conference and Minister of Local Government, is 71 years old. Minister of National Security and JLP's General Secretary, Horace Chang, is also 71 years old. State Minister in the Office of the Prime Minister, Homer Davis, he is also 71 years old. And that age is also shared by Manayard Audley Shaw, the Member of Parliament for North East Manchester. The firebrand Member of Parliament for South West St. Catherine, Everald Warmington, well, he is all of 72 years old. Jamaica's Minister of Tourism, Ed Bartlett, is no newcomer. He might be the best performing Minister of Government, but he is 73 years old. Peter Phillips is former opposition leader and former president of the People's National Party. He currently serves as Member of Parliament for East Central St. Andrew. He is 74 years old. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports, Olivia Babsy-Grange, is no young tree. She has been around for a very long time. Her age today is 77 years old. J.C. Hutchinson is Member of Parliament for North West St. Elizabeth. Hutchinson is serving as Minister of State in the Ministry of Transport. He stands at a whopping 80 years old. Member of Parliament for North Central St. Andrew, Carl Samuda, has been around for a very long time. He served under the Labour Party government of the 1980s, then switched to the PNP, then switched back to the JLP. Samuda is today 81 years old. And just before we discover who the oldest Member of Parliament in Jamaica is, remember to support us here at JAMFET, celebrating the Jamaican culture abroad and abroad. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment under our videos. And the title of Undisputed Grandfather of Jamaican Politics goes to Lester Mike Henry. Mike Henry is Member of Parliament for Central Clarendon. He is 88 years old. So what do you think about the ages of these Jamaican politicians? At what age do you think it's time for them to call it quits? Let me know in the comment section. And of course, remember to like, share, and subscribe to JAMFET, celebrating the Jamaican culture abroad and abroad.